Is your financial world a chaotic mess of spreadsheets and shoeboxes filled with receipts? Are you the go-to person for small businesses, the financial wizard they call when numbers just don't add up? Or maybe you're just someone trying to get your own finances in order and you've heard QuickBooks is the answer. But then, a nagging question pops into your head. If I want to really master this, if I want to prove I know my stuff, is there a certification for QuickBooks? That's a question I get asked all the time. And it's a good one. Because in a world where everyone claims to be an expert, how do you really stand out? How do you show potential clients or even your current employer that you're not just winging it with QuickBooks? Let's face it, QuickBooks is powerful. It's the backbone of so many small businesses, helping them track income, expenses, and everything in between. But just like any powerful tool, it takes skill and knowledge to use it effectively. You could fumble around, learn as you go, and maybe eventually get the hang of it. But that's like trying to build a house with a hammer and a vague idea. You might get something that stands, but is it going to be structurally sound? Is it going to be efficient? Probably not. Think about it. QuickBooks offers a wide range of features, from basic bookkeeping to advanced inventory management and payroll. Navigating all of that can be overwhelming. You might know how to enter a sales receipt, but do you know how to reconcile bank statements like a pro? Can you generate meaningful financial reports that actually tell a story? Do you understand the nuances of different QuickBooks versions, like online versus desktop? And that's where certification comes in. It's not just a piece of paper. It's validation. It's a signal to the world that you've put in the work, that you understand the ins and outs of QuickBooks, and that you can deliver results. So, let's get down to brass tacks. Yes, there are certifications for QuickBooks. Specifically, Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks, offers the QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor certification. This certification is designed for accounting professionals, bookkeepers, and consultants who want to demonstrate their expertise in QuickBooks Online. It's not just a simple test. It's a comprehensive program that covers everything from basic setup to advanced features and best practices. What does it actually involve? Well, it's broken down into modules, covering topics like setting up a QuickBooks Online company. This includes configuring settings, creating accounts, and customizing the interface, managing sales and customers. This covers creating invoices, receiving payments, and tracking customer balances, managing expenses and vendors. This includes entering bills, paying vendors, and tracking expenses. Bank reconciliation. This crucial skill ensures that your QuickBooks records match your bank statements. Reporting and analysis. This covers generating financial reports, analyzing data, and providing insights to clients. Payroll and sales tax. This covers managing payroll, calculating sales tax, and filing returns. Advanced features. This includes inventory management, budgeting, and job costing. It's not just about knowing the buttons to push. It's about understanding the underlying accounting principles and how they apply in QuickBooks. It's about being able to troubleshoot problems, answer client questions, and provide valuable advice. Now, why should you care? Why should you invest the time and effort to get certified? First, it builds credibility. When you're a certified pro advisor, you can proudly display the badge on your website, your business cards, and your marketing materials. This instantly sets you apart from the competition. It tells potential clients that you're not just someone who knows a little bit about QuickBooks, you're a professional. Second, it enhances your skills. The certification program forces you to dig deep into QuickBooks, to learn features you might not have used before. This makes you a more valuable asset to your clients or your employer. You'll be able to handle more complex tasks, provide more accurate information, and offer more comprehensive solutions. Third, it provides access to exclusive resources. As a pro advisor, you gain access to a network of other professionals, training materials, and support from Intuit. This can be invaluable when you encounter a challenging situation or need to stay up to date on the latest QuickBooks features. Fourth, it can lead to increased earning potential. Clients are willing to pay more for certified professionals. They know that they're getting someone who has the expertise to handle their financial needs. But let's be realistic. Getting certified isn't a walk in the park. It requires dedication and effort. You'll need to study, practice, and pass the certification exams. But the rewards are well worth it. And it's not just for people who want to work with clients. Even if you're just using QuickBooks for your own business, getting certified can help you manage your finances more effectively. You'll have a better understanding of the software, you'll be able to generate more accurate reports, and you'll be able to make better informed financial decisions. Now, a lot of people also ask about desktop certification. While the online version is heavily pushed, there are older certifications and resources for the desktop versions of QuickBooks. However, Intuit's focus is clearly on the online platform, so that is where you should put the majority of your focus. The world is moving online, and QuickBooks is no exception. QuickBooks Online offers a lot of advantages, including accessibility, collaboration, and automatic updates. Intuit is investing heavily in this platform, and it's where the future of QuickBooks lies. So, if you're serious about mastering QuickBooks, if you want to stand out from the crowd, and if you want to take your financial skills to the next level, consider getting certified. It's an investment in yourself, an investment in your career, and an investment in your future. Don't just take my word for it. Research it. Look into the Pro Advisor program, explore the resources available, and see how it can benefit you. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just starting out, certification can open doors and create opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.